let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom. Dear students, say thank you to others. Show gratitude. With this thought of positivity, I welcome you all. Today, we will study Chapter 19 of Social Studies, our environment. In this chapter, we will study the meaning of word environment, living and non-living things, natural environment and human-made environment, difference between our needs and wants, environmental pollution, and how we can save our environment from pollution and destruction. First, we will study the meaning of environment. The word environment means to encircle or surround. So everything that surrounds us forms our environment. Observe this picture. We can see so many things in this picture, like books, TV, sofa, cat, man, a woman, boy, a beautiful girl, wall at the back, plant. All these things together makes our environment. Dear students, whatever our environment consists of can be divided into two parts, living and non-living. Let's study the difference between the two. The first characteristic of living thing is they can move from one place to another. People, birds, animals, all can move. So they all are living things. On the other side, non-living things cannot move on their own. Does your teddy bear move? No, it doesn't move at its own. So it is a non-living thing. All living things need food. Food provides energy to all living things, which allows them to work and grow. But non-living things do not need food. They never feel hungry, like your dolls. Another characteristic of living thing is they can grow. A baby grows into an adult. A sapling grows into a plant. On the other side, non-living things do not grow, like your toys. Clear, children? Things which can move, need food, can grow are living things. And the things which cannot move on their own, do not need food, cannot grow are non-living things. Next is natural environment. The things that naturally exist in this world are the part of natural environment. Few examples are water, soil, plants, animals, birds, etc. Human-made environment. The things that are made by man are the part of human-made environment. Few examples are buildings, roads and cars, computer, your favorite toys, etc. are the part of human-made environment.